America tired of fiat pain. Africa rising, breaking every chain. The old system losing its reign. Now the tankers make a new lane. Strait is open. Strait is closed. Oh yeah. Strait is open. Strait is closed. Tankers glide through the narrow gate. World's most vital shipping strait. Instant payment, no more wait. Bitcoin settles the debate. Strait is open. Strait is closed. Oh yeah. Strait is open. Strait is closed. Hey, hey. People worldwide feeling the shift. Wallets in hand, no more banking shit. From Lagos to La Paz they lift. Fiat control starts to drift. Strait is open. Strait is closed. Oh yeah. Strait is open. Strait is closed. Ships confirm, the sets are sent. Freedom message loud and clear intent. The Strait of Hormuz represents